guys, Mike from IronTrap Garage, coming to you today with a little teaser from our trip to Virginia. We just got back a couple days ago, and we haven't had a chance to put together a full episode on the free tee, as it's still in bodywork phase, hopefully going to be in primer, maybe before this video, but we haven't had a chance to get a full episode together, so I'm going to put together a little teaser of our trip to Virginia where we visited one of our viewers, Doug. He has a couple cars that he wants to sell, so we went down there, took some shots of what he has, went picking a little bit at his place and a few other places. But when we were there, we really got to use some of the new technology that we bought. So we bought a DJI Ronin gimbal for our main Canon camera. It'll help us get real smooth panning shots, and when we're walking around, the camera won't look like it's bouncing and being jostled around. So I got a lot of real cool shots of his cars, and it helped when we were picking. I was able to get nice smooth shots of Matt digging through boxes and stuff like that. I also bought a drone, which I've been flying here and there at Matt's. There was a couple shots in the 36 video, which came out last week, of flying in and around the 36 slant back. So I've been getting pretty good with flying it. When we were at Doug's, I had a field day. He has a pretty big property, so I was able to really let loose and fly. Might have almost crashed it a few times. There's some footage of me getting pretty close to a few things. So I'm going to drop in some footage of us flying the drone as a teaser. The video for our Virginia trip will be out in a couple weeks. There's a lot of footage I have to go through to put together a video. But on Friday, we will have an update on the free tee. It may be one color. We're not 100% sure, but it'll at least be in primer. So we will have an update on it. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. We do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to keep up to date on all of our builds and adventures. Thanks guys.